Welcome to the MyMA App, your trusted partner for sending money home. Let us assist you in making your first transaction with ease. Begin by navigating to our homepage and tapping on the Send Money option. Proceed by selecting the receiver and adding their information. Input the recipient's name and banking details, ensuring to save their information for future use. You are now set to send money. Choose the receiver, enter the send amount, choose the currency to transfer, select the type of remit, specify the purpose of the transfer, select your income source, agree to the terms, and proceed by clicking Next. Review the recipient's details summary. If you have a voucher, click on Redeem Now, and then Verify and Send. A QR code will be created. Save the QR code and proceed to your internet banking platform to initiate the transfer. For transfers to India, credit is received on the same day, while for Bangladesh, it may take up to 48 hours. Access your internet banking account to finalize the payment. Select Pay and Transfer, followed by Scan and Pay. Utilize your photo library to scan the QR code for payment verification, confirm the amount, and complete the transaction by selecting Pay Now. Congratulations! Your payment has been successfully processed. To track your remittance, return to the home page and choose Send Money. Click on Sent Money Transaction History and utilize the drop-down menu to review transaction history. MyMA App, bridging the gaps and bringing you closer to home.